This is a small AM transmitter using a 555 timer. You've got your standard 555 circuit setup. That's a 101 small disc capacitor. And what else? You've got a 470 ohm resistor across 6 and 7, that's the little blue one, and then you've got a 1000 ohm resistor between 7 and 8. Pretty standard setup. It's supposed to get you around 1400 kilohertz, which is nowhere near out of the range of a 555 timer. It's just pretty fast, but the 555s can take up to almost a megahertz. So this is far below, but it's definitely in the AM band, and pretty easy to produce. I'm just running 9 volts. That's just a 9-volt rail right there, and I've just got it on a switch right here. No big deal. But my audio input is just running into the voltage control pin right here, pin 5, and that's coming to this little. I'm just using one of the keys here just for leads, so the key really has no bearing on it. So that's an audio cable, say left channel, that's your little ground. That's connected over to the computer, and the computer's playing some Rush right now. And maybe I can rewind this a little bit. I don't know how I can get it over there. So it's going to sound really bad, but again, it's barely optimized to do really anything other than push out some weak AM band radio frequency waves. So this is the from pin 3. Pin 3, you've got just a wire and then an alligator clip to some other wires, so it's obviously very high tech. Over here, I've got the wire split with another alligator clip that's going to the earth ground, supposedly the earth ground, depending on how your house is wired, should be earth ground, into just a regular power outlet. So not the smartest thing to do, I admit, but it does work. And that's just the nail right there. So let me turn the radio on and see if we can hear some Rush. It's very, very poor quality, I'm warning you. So this is just my AM radio. I've got it tuned to around 1200 kilohertz, because this is 120 times 10. So 1200 kilohertz. It's very wide. It'll go, the sound signal that I can hear the music from is very wide. It goes all the way up to around 1700. So I think that's just some, what would you call those? Harmonics or something. I'm not sure. So I can actually hear the music on top of that terrible static. So that's what you can do with a 555 timer and a long antenna.